Can Framis is a contemporary art museum in the 22at area of Poblenou. This neighborhood started as a marshland used for agriculture supplying the city of Barcelona, and evolved into the largest industrial district of the country. In the post-war era, the reform of the area into a housing district started with the arrival of the Poblenou metro station, supplying the workers of the nearby industry. After the Olympic Games of 1992, opportunities arose from companies settling in the area as a response to the urban reform and technology boom. Can Framis is made up of two disused 18th century textile factories belonging to the Framis family. Built in 2008 by Jordi Badia for the Fundació Vila Casas. A link was created between the factories, creating a courtyard in which a Jaume Pla Liñan sculpture can be found, given by the Fundació Vila Casas as a gift to the city of Barcelona. A fourth building closes off the northwestern side of the block, making a second courtyard that contains the chimney of the old factory behind the transversal building block. Stones from the factories were used to pave the ground. The lime mortar of the stone facades and the concrete of the new link give the serene monochromatic courtyard a range of textures, reflecting the heritage and new life of the building. The load-bearing in-situ concrete of the new building align with the existing stone walls of the old stone factory, creating a strong link between the old and the new, where the lime mortar covering and the existing stone walls explore the history of the building with a patchwork of masonry techniques. The new elements capture a sharp, clean, and simple geometry with a south-facing cantilever, providing the building with a contrasting image to the stone factory walls, and a rough and bold defining factor. Visitors are welcomed into the lowest level of the new wing, ascending to the gallery areas through small, dimly lit passages to emphasize the brightness and scale of the exhibition spaces and prompting their curiosity. Fundació Vila Casas, for which the museum was built, work for the promotion and exhibition of Catalan artists. Can Framis is home to over 300 works of contemporary art from the 60s to the present day. Partition walls within the wings provide the space to exhibit these works, creating a continuous access starting at the lowest point of the building, providing the white austere setting for which to showcase the art. Above, the trusses of the renovated wooden roof structure are visible, also painted white to blend into the space. The complex occupies 5,800 square meters, granting 3,400 of these to exhibition space, with a separate area for offices and another used for educational workshops for regional schools. The pre-existing buildings predate the Cerdà plan, the urban structure the city has been following since its inauguration. Not following its orientation and that of its block's perimeters, the museum generates the Jardins de Manuel Martí i Pol, a green transition space surrounding the museum, available as a quiet oasis filtering out the city. The buildings sit 1.5 meters below the present city level due to their origins from the agricultural era of the zone. The sloped gardens are designed with snaking paths and adorned with oak and poplar trees, shielding the space from the surrounding city elements. The museum within its context creates its own microcosmos, simultaneously shielded from and integrated into the city, embracing the new spirit of the developing area and honoring the deep history and heritage of its humble beginnings.